Good morning. Welcome to Looking into Problems. Today I'll be showing you how to remove FRP from Samsung A31. After you have flashed your phone, of course, and after you have switched it off, press volume down and volume up and set your USB so your phone can go into download mode. After your phone is on download mode, come to your SAM flash tool, select utils and press MTK FRP via Odin and wait. It will arise protection data for the first, and then to wait for the device to reboot. After the device have rebooted, it will arise FRP. Voila. Thank you guys. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Welcome to Looking into Problems. We love you.
You don't stand in my way. I run over like a train. Can't feel what I'm saying. I fuck you.